Hey everybody, welcome to another quick video. Welcome to the Gear Daydream. So one of the tasks I've been wanting to do, I'm going to keep this pretty short, it's very much a Kenne Bell specific task, is to change the oil on my supercharger. Got the instructions here, so you can see. So Kenne Bell recommend that oil is changed every 12,000 miles. So I've done about 8,000 since I put my supercharger on. In October 2019, so 3 years. It's a really good quality oil. It shouldn't be bad, but I just thought I'd do it anyway. I've got a bit of time, so I thought, why not? And obviously the oil of choice is the Kenne Bell Supercharger oil, which they make in partnership with Lucas Oil. I bought quite a few pre-COVID, just in case I had difficulty getting a hold of it. So we're gonna change that. So the tools will simple syringe, which I got from Amazon, and something to open the filler cap with. So we'll go with this. This will do. Oh yeah, let's get to it. Really, basically, the car is all set up, and all we gotta do is undo this, suck the old oil out, put the new oil in, and we're good to go. That's all there is to it. Not really all that hard. But I just want to see the color difference in the oil more than anything else. And I just want to share it with you. You guys can compare whether yours is the same or if it looks worse or whatever. So focus. The color is still pretty good. There's no blackness. It's still pretty bluey. It has that little bit of a blue tinge to it. So it still looks pretty good.
And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard.
Still very oily though.
I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop saying
So it is darker, much darker than I expected, but obviously that's October 2019, 2020, 21. That's like 2 and a bit years. So no, 19, 20, 21. This is 2022. Yeah, so it's about 2.5 years of oil.
I get lost in the words I say. I don't push.
So for us, since we don't race, we're gonna be somewhere in the middle of this dipstick basically, and I'll use this as a guide. It doesn't even come up to the mark, so there's very little in there. Just as a comparison. This is the color of the fresh oil. So I'll put some dirty oil here. So you can see. So not far, it's just a bit blacker. Really. Fresh, dirty. I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop, say
very hard to see, but you can see it's just about in the middle.
Yeah, man, I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by.
So one of the tests I do, because it's so hard to see this oil, is I just move the tissue up, and then as soon as it gets wet, I know, as soon as it gets wet, I know where the oil level is. So because it's so hard to see this oil, so that gives me assurance that it's all good. So this is it. And then what we want to do is just run it up to see where it is. So trying to do it on the camera so you can see the tissue's dry there, and the tissue's dry. So I'll keep taking it down. There, I see that it gets wet there. So that means that's the oil level basically. So that's fine. I don't want to overfill it and then worry about it. What's going on?
I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play.
Yes, I'm happy with that.
I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless
You can
traits.
see just shine. So that's all good.
I won't stop till I hear him say.
And that's all there is to it. It's a pretty simple procedure. Don't forget your mileage, which I've already done. So I'll probably change the next one again in probably 2 to 3 years time, because probably my issue is time dependent. I think the oil is really yeah, it's not a date issue on this, so it should be fine. So every 2.5, 3 years is it really. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope seeing the different color helped. You can compare with what you get out of yours, and you could show me what you got out of yours. Does mine look normal? I don't know. I think it looks pretty normal. So yeah, happy with that. See you later.